Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data packs first. We'll dive into the essential process of integrating these powerful additions to enhance your experience. Data packs are collections of files that modify or add content, offering a wealth of new possibilities. By understanding their core function and following a few simple steps, you can unlock a more customized and enriched environment. This approach ensures you leverage all available resources from the outset, making your setup more robust and tailored to your preferences. Let's get started. Once you're ready to enhance your experience, the first step is to obtain your desired data pack. Always seek out reputable sources to ensure file integrity and security. After downloading, carefully check for compatibility with your current software version to avoid any conflicts. Installation usually involves placing the downloaded files into a specific directory within your application's root folder. This process is often straightforward, requiring just a few clicks and drag-and-drop actions, but always refer to the creator's instructions for precise guidance. With your data pack installed, the next crucial step is activation and configuration. Navigate to your application settings or configuration menu, where you'll typically find a dedicated section for managing external content or add-ons. From the list of available options, simply enable your newly installed data pack. Many data packs also offer customizable settings, allowing you to fine-tune their impact. Take a moment to explore these parameters. Adjusting them can significantly tailor the experience to your exact liking, ensuring optimal performance and enjoyment. Even with careful installation, you might encounter occasional issues. If a data pack isn't working as expected, first verify its compatibility with your software version. Conflicts between multiple packs are also common, so try disabling them one by one to identify the culprit. Always consult the data pack's documentation or community forums. Many common problems have readily available solutions. For best practices, regularly back up your application data before installing anything new, and always prioritize packs from trusted creators to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.